Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Searching for the ultimate protection and style for your Ford F150? Look no further. In today's video, we unveil the best Carhartt seat covers tailored specifically for your F150, ensuring durability and rugged sophistication. Let's dive in. Number 1. Carhartt's SSC 2516 kg seat covers redefine rugged sophistication, turning your Ford F150 into a fortress of style. Crafted with precision, these covers boast durability that's synonymous with the Carhartt name. The heavyweight duckweave fabric battles wear and tear with unmatched resilience, while the triple-stitched main seams guarantee longevity. The mossy oak camo pattern adds a touch of the wild, seamlessly blending toughness with outdoor allure. Tailored for the F150, every inch exudes a custom fit. Elevate your truck's interior with Carhartt SSC 2516 kg, where durability meets design, an adventure ride shotgun. Unleash the beast, cover up in Carhartt style. Number 2. Carhartt's SSC 2485 CABN seat covers redefine durability and style for your Ford F150. Crafted with precision, these covers boast rugged Carhartt toughness, ensuring your seats stay protected against the toughest elements. The heavyweight duckweave fabric not only withstands daily wear but also elevates your truck's interior with a touch of industrial chic. The triple-stitched main seams scream longevity, while the custom fit for the F150 guarantees a seamless, snug look. Say goodbye to worries about spills and stains. Carhartt's got your seats covered, literally. Upgrade your F150's interior with these seat covers that blend utility and fashion effortlessly. Number 3. Carhartt's SSC 3446 kg seat covers redefine rugged elegance for your Ford F150. Crafted with precision, these covers boast an industrial-strength canvas that laughs in the face of wear and tear. Resilient against spills, stains, and the chaos of daily commutes, they're a knight in shining armor for your truck's interior. The tailored fit is a match made in heaven for the F150, ensuring a snug, stylish embrace. Trust me, these covers don't just guard your seats, they elevate your truck's aesthetic. Carhartt's craftsmanship meets Ford F150's prowess, making it a duo that's impossible to ignore. Upgrade your ride, one seat cover at a time. Number 4. Carhartt's SSC 3418 kg seat covers redefine durability and style for your Ford F150. Crafted with precision, these covers seamlessly blend rugged toughness with a touch of sophistication. The heavy-duty fabric not only withstands the toughest conditions but also elevates the interior aesthetics. Perfectly tailored for the F150, these covers ensure a snug fit, transforming your seats into a fortress against spills, stains, and daily wear. Practicality meets rugged elegance, Carhartt has nailed it. Upgrade your ride with SSC 3418 kg, where toughness meets refined design. Drive in comfort and confidence, making a bold statement on every journey. Number 5. Carhartt's SSC 2398 COBK seat covers redefine durability and style for your Ford F150. Crafted with precision, these covers effortlessly blend rugged toughness with a sleek design. The heavy-duty Carhartt fabric ensures longevity, shielding your seats from wear and tear. Tailor-made for the F150, the snug fit feels like a second skin, while the iconic Carhartt logo adds a touch of authenticity. Whether you're conquering the urban jungle or off-road terrain, these seat covers promise unmatched resilience and a dash of rugged elegance. Elevate your F150's interior with Carhartt, where strength meets sophistication. Unleash the beast, without compromising on comfort or style. In conclusion, Carhartt seat covers prove to be the ultimate choice for Ford F-150 owners seeking durability and style. With their rugged construction and tailored fit, these covers elevate both protection and aesthetics. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you make the right choice for your F-150. Stay comfortable, stay protected, and enjoy your Carhartt journey.